你放视频放那个工厂式的切换一放黑屏的，没放视频，工厂的视频放。
就这边说那个膜没有了，客户在催。如果我们周六做不了的话，就只能周一做；周一做的话，就只能周二给到仓库这边了。所以说，就最好是周六过来。我刚才也问了仓库的，他们这边也催我说最好周六做。周六一定要过来，就这边说那个膜没有了，客户在催。
会不会跟我说？大家
check your audio. Your microphone. Okay, it's already on. Let's wait for just 2 minutes.
Yes.
You have to wait. Okay, let's do number 3. Audio is okay. Logo is okay. Microphone is on. I think internet is also okay. I think I'm ready. My side is ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's wait for another 1 minute and let's get started. So let me know when you're ready. So we can get started. Let's get started.
Okay.
It's already 5:30. Right. So yeah, let's get started, bro. Come here. Okay, guys. Good afternoon from China. So this is Juan from Norway. This is a Master Liu from SoFix. So today, in this afternoon, we're gonna explain to you guys from 2016 to 2020 the MacBook models BIOS and ROM circuit, especially for only for T1 and the T2 models.
Yeah.
So the second topic we're going to share how to change the MacBook serial number for T1 and T2 models. So the first part is the theory part. The second part is the how to change the serial number for T1 and the T2 model. So the last topic is going to be question and answer time. So you can leave your question, any comments on the comments area. So after the explanation, we're going to get back to those comments that you gonna be whatever you left in the comment area. So you're gonna answer your questions. Okay, this is all about today. Let's get started. Master Liu, your turn. Here we go.
Okay. Everyone. So, then we are talking about the T1 and the T2. T1 and T2 to change the serial number. So now T1 and the T2. T1 and the T2 is a different socket. You can see the motherboard first. And this motherboard. Okay, the camera. Okay. So you can see the different motherboard. This is a T1 motherboard. Okay, this one is a T2. So the T1 model to use the BIOS chip. Okay, BIOS chip in here. Which one? This one. This BIOS chip. Okay, so the data SMC, the data inside the BIOS chip. Okay, BIOS chip. The T2 model to use the T2 ROM. Okay, T2 ROM. So which one? You see the T2 ROM. This one is a T2 ROM. Okay, T2 ROM. So the T1 model and before all the model, the serial number inside the BIOS chip. Okay, inside this BIOS chip. So you can rewrite the BIOS chip to change the serial number. Okay, change the serial number. T2 model inside the T2 ROM. T2 model, so you use the option to change the T2 serial number. Okay, so now different. Which one is a different T2? The SSD NAND control chip. You can see the NAND control chip is a NAND control chip. The NAND master control chip. This one T2. You can see there this chip.
T2?
Yeah, this one.
It's here. You wanna zoom out a little bit? Like this?
Yes. So this one. This NAND control chip. The T1 model here, the T2 model NAND control chip, you can see now in the motherboard inside the T2. Okay, inside the T2. And the TM1 model, T1 model, T have the SMC, this is SMC. T2 model, SMC inside the T2. Okay, so the motherboard is a different T1 and the T2. Only the name control chip inside the T2, and the SMC control chip inside the inside the T2. Okay, the other side, this one is a state. Okay, other is a same. So the T2 model and the T1, you can see the motherboard picture. This one. Okay, change the camera. Number 5. You see the motherboard picture. T1 model, the serial number inside here. Okay, this is a BIOS switch. Okay, BIOS switch. And the other before the T1 model, you can see the old model. For example, this one. This one. Okay. This one also is a BIOS switch. Okay. So the T2 model, this one inside the serial number inside the T2 ROM. Okay, you can open the T2 switch. Okay, this inside the T2 ROM. So different the model, the serial number inside the different. Okay, and then you can see the motherboard. You can see here T2016 or 2010 to 2017. Okay, 17 is a T1 and before. There's a SSM inside the serial number inside here. From the T2 2018 to 2020, this serial number SSM inside the T2 ROM. Okay, T2 ROM. So the T1 and before the model is different. You want to change the serial number. Okay, this one you can write the BIOS data. Or this one you can use the UBOS2 or use this one T0 to change the serial number. There's SSM. Okay, so now use the software to how to change the serial number. So now I tell you this one. Okay, as example, you copy the BIOS switch, the data, then you want to change the serial number. Okay, you use this one, WinHash. Okay, WinHash, this one. Okay, as example, I'm open this one. Okay, open the serial number, change the open BIOS. Okay, this one. 820-330. This one I search the SSM, then you find it here. So this one C02 J59KHD V35. This one is a serial number. Okay, but this model the serial number. So now you can change. For example, you want to change this one. So T or DV, you want to change the is a W. Okay, you can change all the serial number. Okay, you want to change, you can use the WinHash. This is all about the T1 and before the T1 model, 2010 to 2017. All the model you can use the WinHash. Copy the BIOS data, then you can change this one. Also, you can use the UBIOS2 to rewrite the BIOS data. Okay. Yes, this is UBIOS. So you know how to change the serial number from the 2010 to 2017, right? Use the WinHash. Yes, use WinHash to search the SSN. Then you change. Okay. Also, you can use the UBIOS2 to read the ROM, the BIOS data. Then after the read ROM data is finished, then you can use the USB to add the serial number. Which one USB?
Add serial number.
Yes. Yes, use the USB to add the serial number.
For add serial number, we have this one.
Mm.
Okay, this is for adding serial number is this tool. This one can only write add, but this one you can this one you can
only
write.
for the T2 and the M1. No,
It's only for T2.
Yeah, not talking about the 2010.
Now we're talking about for the old generation.
Yes, older generation is about the T1 model and before the T1 model.
So T1 model we're using this one for adding the serial number.
Yes.
For the
T1,
USB.
yes.
Okay, this is the for.
Yes. You also use this one to add the serial number and change the serial number about the WinHash. You can use the WinHash to change the serial number. Okay.
WinHash.
Yes. This software you can see. Yes, this one. To search SSN, then you change the serial number. Okay, so this is about the WinHash. Okay, to change the serial number. So now the T1 model and before you use the WinHash to search SSN, then you change the serial number. Okay, then you change the serial number. So the T2 model, okay, T2 model, how to change the serial number. So now you can see this one. T2 model also you can use the T2 to copy the T2 ROM data. Then you use the WinHash. So now you can see the T2 model, how to change the serial number about the T2 model. Okay, as example, now I open the T2 model. You open use copy the T2 ROM data. Then you use the WinHash to open the data. Okay, with example, okay, I use this one. Okay, A2141, the T2 model. Then I search the BL. Okay, capital the BLM. Here, remember it's a BLM, no SSN. Okay, then you can see the serial number here. C02 D5LDQ MD6M. Okay, this is a serial number. Okay, this is a T2 serial number. So you can change whether you want to change the G is to V or Q to E. Okay, you can change. You want to change the
So you can write down whatever number that just pop up your mind, whatever your mind.
Yes. So T2 and before you use SSN, but now you search is BLM. Okay, BLM. Okay, so it's a different T2 and different other model. Okay, so now you can see the T2 model and And the T1 is a different, okay, it's a different. And now you see about the T1 model and the T2. Now you see also you can see this video. Continue, see the video. You see the video. Okay, you can see this video. Okay, how to change the T2? You copy this one, right?
Yeah, this one.
No.
T2 ROM chip data.
No.
Is that this one?
Yeah, for this one.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay, now you can see this number. Okay, before the original serial number. The original serial number. You can see. It's this one. C02 S215 VJ Go HC9. Okay, this one. Original serial number. So now, okay, how to change the original serial number about the T2? About the T2 and the T1. Okay, T1 you can data, or you can use the UEFI to change the data. So now, this A19, A19, T2 model. The original serial number is this one.
So this is like if I change the bottom case. So I just want to have the same serial number, just rewrite the serial number, right?
Change the bottom case. And sometimes you change the motherboard, the serial number is different.
Or you change the serial number. So, but we are using this tool, right?
Yes.
This is the tool we're using for rewrite the serial number.
Yes.
The T200, bro. BYT200. This is the tool we're gonna be using for like rewriting the serial number, right? Okay. Perfect.
So you find the T2 ROM chip. Okay, it's about the T2 ROM. T2 ROM. Then you copy this ROM. This one.
SOC ROM.
Yes, SOC ROM. Okay, SOC ROM.
So we have to take off. We have to take off the chip and put inside this word and rewrite to the. We have to copy. We have to copy information. We have to read the information and rewrite the information, right?
Copy the T2 ROM data first, then use the WinCast to change the
software to rewrite to change the serial number. Okay.
Yes, but in the future maybe I use the USB. I will make the USB choose to change the T1 and the T2 for the model. You can only use the USB connect your MacBook. Then you can change the serial number. Okay, then you can change the serial number. So now you connect the pin 1, then connect to the computer. Okay, Windows computer. Okay, open the software. Okay, first one you install the driver. Install the driver. Yes. When the install driver is normal, then you open the program software. Okay. This one is find the ROM chip. Okay, reading the ROM data. So now it's reading the data. Yes, ROM data. Then you set the ROM data. Okay, set the ROM data. You can see that you can change the name. You want to write the virtual name, you can change this name. Then you can see this is A1989 T2 ROM 1 BIM. Okay. Now you open the win heads. Okay. So the win heads and all the software inside these tools. Okay. Now you find this ROM, T2 ROM. Before you copy this one is a T2. Yes, this one. Select, open, clean the open. Okay. Then you clean the file. Okay, remember it's a BLM. Okay, BLM. So the T1 model, T1 and before you search is the SSM, but from the T2 is search the BLM. Okay, BLM so different. Okay, so different. Then you see the continue. Okay, and then you see this one video. So now you change the original serial number from the button case. You can see which one different. Before it's a C02. Okay, now it's a C02YPOS JLVBF. Okay, change to this serial number. Change to this serial number. And use the keyboard to change the serial number. Okay, this one. Okay, so now the serial number is changed complete. Then you must remember, okay, to clean the save. Okay, don't forget clean the save. Now the serial number is changed. Okay, clean the save. Okay, you can see okay. Okay, now it's serial number change. So complete, then click save to change the serial number. Serial number BIM 35. Okay, now you open the program to rewrite this T2 ROM data to the T2 ROM. Okay, find this one. Okay, clean the open. Then you clean the auto program. Okay, clean the clean ES to program the T2 ROM. Okay, now you clean them. Okay, so program is finished. Okay, program finished. Then you tell the T2 ROM. Now it's auto program the T2 ROM. Okay, you can see program is finished. Then you tell the USB. The USB-C, these are T2 ROM to motherboard. Okay, the temperature is 430. Okay, so that's the T2 ROM. Now it's okay. Then you install the motherboard. Okay, so the motherboard. Okay, now you connect the power supply. Okay, now the Apple is you can display into the OS system. You can see the serial number is a change. Okay, change. The number is set. Okay, so this is about the T2 model to change the serial number. Okay, for the T1, you just search the SSM. T2, you must search the BLM. Okay, then you change the serial number. Okay, change the serial number. So the T1 and the T2 is different. Okay, is different. Right there. That's this camera. Yes. So now you see the T1 model and the before inside the BIOS chain. In the BIOS chain. Then you can run the BIOS data or use the WinHead to search the SN to change the serial number. T2 model to search BLM. Okay, to change the serial number. And use the WinHead, then you change the SSN. Okay, so these are different T1 and T2, and also the T1 model from this one T1 focus. NAND is one name control and SMD is on T2. So the T2 model NAND and SMC also. Okay. Right, and the BIOS. Okay. So the T2 model, you can see only the T2. Okay, and T1 model, the NAND control changes are control change, SMC and the BIOS inside. Okay, so you want to change the serial number, you must copy the T2 ROM data. T2 ROM, because the BIOS inside T2. Okay, and the SMC and the NAND control chip inside the T2. So these are T1 and T2 different. T1 does read the BIOS data. Okay, T2 must copy the SSM to change the serial number.
For BIOS data, that means we can use the T200, but also can use the UBOS 2, right?
Yes, UBOS 2 is the data.
But you cannot change the signal.
When you read the T2 ROM data, the serial number is changed. But you want to change the serial number is different, because this Pro 2, all the serial number is writing in the box. So you use the T200, you can change. You want to change which one serial number, you can change. You can use the WinHead to change the serial number. So it's the first two and the T200 is different.
So okay, if I want to change for T1, we take off the BIOS chip, right?
T1, no. T1, yes. Oh, yeah. Take out the BIOS chip. Then
take it off.
Yes. Then you use the UBOS 2 to read the BIOS.
We use UBOS 2 to read the data.
Yes. Okay. Then you use the USB to add the serial number.
Okay, UBOS 2. But for T2 and M1, we're using T200.
Yeah.
Because the BIOS already inside of T2, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's why.
So you use the Spanish to
Spanish. Okay, just want to repeat one more time because I don't want to translate something bad. It's like for 2010 to 2017, if we change a motherboard or we change or like a button case. So in this case, we need to change the serial number, right? So if we change the serial number for the T1 model, for example, we take off the BIOS chip, right? We have to take it off.
Yes.
And we're rewriting the serial number.
Yes, the BIOS data. Then you use the USB to add the serial number.
Okay, we write and then we add the serial number, right?
Yes.
Okay, we use UBOS 2. For the T2 model, we are taking off the chip, which is T2, and putting to this T200.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Now I understand. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be doing an explanation. So give me a second. I'm gonna be doing this in Spanish, okay? Lo vamos a hacer en español, amigos de España, de los países de habla hispana. Lo que yo entendí, ¿no? Espero que yo entienda bien, ¿vale? Por ejemplo, de 2010, 2017, son modelos más antiguos, son de T1. En este caso tenemos que sacar el chip BIOS chip. Entonces tenemos que, por ejemplo, con esta maquinita, ¿dónde están los sockets? Bueno, aquí está la maquinita, ¿vale? Es el completo. Mira, por ejemplo, con esta cajita, con la caja verde, nosotros, por ejemplo, aquí está el socket. Entonces nosotros sacamos el BIOS chip y ponemos aquí y reprograma BIOS state, ¿eh? Y después con este pendrive dice add serial number para añadir el número serial. Entonces, para T1, para T1, para el modelo T1, nosotros tenemos que usar esta maquinita. Y para T2, teóricamente, T2 es de 2018 a 2020. Es el modelo T2. En este caso, T2, lo que pasa es que T2 el chip es más integrado. Entonces, ROM, por ejemplo, todo está dentro de T2. Entonces, para T2 nosotros tenemos que usar esta maquinita, esta herramienta. Es T200, ¿vale? D200 es el código. Entonces, nosotros sacamos el chip T2 y nosotros reprogramamos el serial number. Nosotros podemos añadir el número de serial. Master Liu, T2, we take off the T2 chip or T2 ROM.
T2 ROM.
We take off the T2 ROM.
Yes.
Es solamente ROM.
ROM,
right? Es solamente ROM de T2, no es el T2. No es T2.
No.
It's a ROM de T2.
Yes, the serial number inside the T2 ROM.
T2 ROM. Ok, entonces solamente quería reconfirmar, es que no quiero decir algo malo, incorrecto, ¿vale? Bueno, esto es todo lo que yo he entendido en este curso con Master Liu. Si tienes preguntas, dudas, pueden dejar comentario en la zona de comentarios. Cuando nosotros veamos, podemos contestar, ¿vale? Podemos explicarnos. Ahora le toca a Master Liu. Now it's your turn, bro.
Okay.
Perfect, man.
Yes. So this is about the T1 and before the model should change the serial number. Okay. So have you any question about the change the serial number? So now we are talking about the question.
QA time. Okay, guys. QA time. Questions and answers.
Yes. If there are any question, you can ask me about the MacBook model. Okay. MacBook repair and the other common case and the other problem. You can ask me.
If you don't have it, they're gonna say goodbye to everybody.
Any question?
Probably not. Yeah, people when they have questions, it's like when they have issues, they have questions, you know. So they cannot save until now to ask you, but sometimes when they have questions, they just write you. they write you or they leave a comment in the commentary on your videos, and or probably they can wait until the live stream and come here and ask you. People like they try to search audience on YouTube, but now program TikTok.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, we just say goodbye to everybody and see them in next week. What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, come over here and we'll say goodbye to everybody. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. You want to repeat whatever we have explained today? So this is the UBOS 2 because we want to give some information. I also want to tell people we're setting a tour to fix the problem, right? So that's why give me like 1 minute so I can at least to explain to you guys the box, all the tours we're having, not all the tours, but tours for this course, okay? This is UBOS 2 we're using for, okay, you can write a lot of BIOS data, so from 2008 to 2020, right? This is we explained a lot of times about these tours. This is not only for the add serial number. For serial number, this is only one tiny function, tiny part of the function of this tour. But this one is principally we're using this one actually for the BIOS data. We fix a problem like a EG to IG, fix problem for the BIOS data for no display, right? No display, no power on or sometime. And also for the for remove the FE log, move the activation log, but depends on the model, okay? Depends on T1 or T2. T1, for sure, no problem. For T2, probably need to change the chips. For M1, complicated, man. Complicated. I don't recommend you do that, okay? So this is about this box UBOS 2. This is like a more complex, type of complex, but in this case, the topic we have been talking today, in this case, we can use this box for adding serial number for T1 model, right?
Yes.
Okay. For T2 model, I know we talked about another model, which is T2. For T2 model, we have to use this BY-T200. So this is the we're going to be using for T200 for the T2 model. For copy the data, the ROM data, right?
Yes.
The ROM data and also T2 ROM. ROM is a ROM, okay. T2 ROM. We have to copy the information and then change it with the software, which is like WinHex. Okay, we'll use that to change. You can change whatever the serial number you want. Okay. That's all, guys. That's all for today.
Yes.
And I'll see you guys next
Bye-bye. See you next week.
Okay, have a good weekend.
In the other.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.